In 2015, I used to think about myself. I can't able to speak English. I can't able to speak English in my whole life because I have studied all my studies in Telugu medium. Slowly, I have practiced to speak in English on that time. So nowadays, I am speaking English. In 2016, when I was in my graduation final year, I have failed some subjects. On that time, I used to think about myself. If I'll not complete my graduation, I will not get 10,000 job also. I didn't complete my graduation and I have stopped my studies. I went into my father work, civil construction work. In 2017, around 10 people employees is there under my father, and our company turnover is around 8 to 9 lakhs per annum. So I have believed in myself. I have followed self disciplines. In 2020, I have made that company 10 people to 200 people and per annum 8 lakhs to 3 cr. So believe in yourself. Don't focus what you don't have. Focus what you have